Ditch the paper and travel smarter with Trainline's mobile tickets. Let's jump straight into how to use them. First, open the Trainline app and navigate to My Tickets. Here you'll see all your upcoming and past journeys. Tap on the journey you're about to take. This is your mobile ticket. You'll find a QR code or barcode €. This is what the ticket inspector will scan. Make sure your screen brightness is turned up. The most important part is making sure the barcode or QR code is clearly visible. Clean your phone screen if needed. When the inspector comes, simply present your mobile ticket. They'll scan the code and verify your journey details. Please be aware that not all tickets can be used as mobile tickets. Usually advanced tickets are. The app will clearly indicate if your ticket is available as a mobile ticket when you purchase it. You can also manage your mobile ticket preferences in the app settings, like opting for mobile tickets as the default delivery option. And that's it. Now you're ready to breeze through your journey with Trainline's mobile tickets. Enjoy the ride.